Welcome. If you run an agency, you know how crucial it is to keep your finances organized and your clients happy. One of the most important tools for this is invoicing software. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist to help you select the best invoicing software for your agency. From understanding your needs to evaluating features and making the final decision, we'll cover it all. Let's get started on making your agency's billing process smoother and more efficient. Before diving into the checklist, let's talk about why invoicing software is so important for agencies. Manual invoicing can be time-consuming and prone to errors, which can lead to delayed payments and unhappy clients. Good invoicing software automates repetitive tasks, tracks payments, and helps you stay on top of your cash flow. It also provides a professional image to your clients and ensures compliance with tax regulations. By choosing the right tool, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and focus more on growing your agency. The first step in choosing invoicing software is to assess your agency's unique requirements. Consider the size of your team, the number of clients you handle, and the complexity of your billing cycles. Do you need recurring invoices, multi-currency support, or integration with other tools? Make a list of must-have features and nice-to-have options. This will help you narrow down your choices and focus on solutions that truly fit your workflow. Next, determine how much you're willing to spend on invoicing software. Prices can range from free basic tools to premium solutions with advanced features. Consider your agency's budget and weigh the cost against the value the software provides. Remember, investing in the right tool can save you money in the long run by improving efficiency and reducing errors. Now, let's list out the essential features your agency needs. Common must-haves include customizable invoice templates, automated reminders, payment tracking, and integration with accounting software. Think about what will make your invoicing process seamless and efficient. Also, consider features like time tracking, expense management, and client portals if they're relevant to your workflow. Integration is key for agencies that use multiple tools. Check if the invoicing software integrates with your existing project management, CRM, and accounting systems. Seamless integration saves time and reduces manual data entry, ensuring your workflow remains smooth and efficient. Make sure to prioritize software that supports the tools your agency already relies on. A user-friendly interface is essential for quick onboarding and efficient use. Test the software's dashboard, navigation, and overall usability. Can your team easily create and send invoices? Is the learning curve steep or manageable? The best invoicing software should be intuitive, reducing the time spent on training and support. Security is non-negotiable when handling client and financial data. Look for invoicing software that offers robust security measures such as data encryption, secure payment gateways, and regular backups. Check if the software complies with industry standards and regulations to keep your agency's and clients' information safe. Every agency has its own branding and workflow. Choose invoicing software that allows you to customize invoice templates, add your logo, and tailor fields to your needs. Customization ensures your invoices reflect your agency's identity and professionalism, making a strong impression on clients. Modern clients expect flexible payment options. Ensure the invoicing software supports multiple payment methods, such as credit cards, bank transfers, and online payment gateways. The easier it is for clients to pay, the faster you'll receive your money. Also, check for features like automatic payment reminders and late fee settings. Good invoicing software should provide insightful reports on your agency's financial health. Look for features like revenue tracking, outstanding invoices, and expense summaries. These reports help you make informed decisions and keep your business on track. The ability to export data for further analysis is also a plus. Reliable customer support can make a big difference, especially when you encounter issues or need help with setup. Check if the software provider offers multiple support channels like live chat, email, or phone. Read reviews to see how responsive and helpful their support team is. Good support ensures you're never stuck when you need assistance. As your agency grows, your invoicing needs may change. Choose software that can scale with your business, offering advanced features or higher usage limits as you expand. Scalability ensures you won't outgrow your invoicing solution and have to switch tools down the line. User reviews provide real-world insights into how invoicing software performs. Look for feedback on reliability, ease of use, and customer support. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. This step helps you avoid potential pitfalls and choose a solution that's proven to work for agencies like yours. Most invoicing software providers offer free trials or demos. Take advantage of these to test the software's features and see if it fits your agency's workflow. Involve your team in the trial to gather feedback and ensure everyone is comfortable with the tool before making a commitment. After testing a few options, compare your shortlisted invoicing software side by side. Evaluate them based on your checklist: features, pricing, integrations, support, and user experience. Create a comparison chart to visualize the pros and cons of each solution. This structured approach makes it easier to make an informed decision. In today's fast-paced world, mobile access is a must. Ensure the invoicing software has a mobile app or a responsive web interface. This allows you and your team to create, send, and track invoices on the go, keeping your agency agile and responsive to client needs. Automation can save your agency a lot of time. Look for invoicing software that automates repetitive tasks like sending recurring invoices, payment reminders, and late fee notifications. Automation reduces manual work and ensures nothing falls through the cracks, helping you maintain a steady cash flow. Data loss can be disastrous for any agency. Make sure the invoicing software offers regular data backups and easy recovery options. Cloud-based solutions often provide automatic backups, but it's important to verify how your data is protected and how quickly it can be restored if needed. If your agency works with international clients, multi-currency support is essential. Ensure the invoicing software can handle different currencies and exchange rates. This feature simplifies billing for global clients and helps you avoid conversion errors. Tax compliance is a critical aspect of invoicing. Look for software that can automatically calculate taxes, generate tax reports, and adapt to different tax rules. This helps you stay compliant and reduces the risk of costly mistakes during tax season. Expense tracking is another valuable feature for agencies. Choose invoicing software that lets you record and categorize expenses, attach receipts, and generate expense reports. This makes it easier to manage your agency's finances and prepare for tax time. For agencies that bill by the hour, time tracking integration is a must. Look for invoicing software that can import time logs directly into invoices. This ensures accurate billing and saves time on manual entry, making your invoicing process more efficient. A client portal can enhance communication and transparency. Choose invoicing software that offers a secure portal where clients can view invoices, make payments, and track their billing history. This feature improves client satisfaction and reduces back-and-forth emails. Every agency has unique data needs. Look for invoicing software that allows you to add custom fields to invoices and client records. This flexibility lets you capture all the information you need for your specific processes. Timely notifications help you stay on top of your invoicing process. Choose software that lets you customize notification settings for sent invoices, payment receipts, and overdue reminders. This keeps your team and clients informed at every step. If your agency has multiple team members handling invoicing, multi-user access is essential. Look for software that allows you to set user roles and permissions, ensuring everyone has the right level of access and responsibility. For agencies with custom workflows, API access can be a game changer. Check if the invoicing software offers an API for integrating with other tools or building custom solutions. This gives you the flexibility to automate and extend your invoicing process as needed. If you want your invoices to fully reflect your agency's brand, look for white labeling options. This allows you to remove the software provider's branding and use your own, creating a seamless experience for your clients. Data portability is important if you ever need to switch tools. Ensure the invoicing software allows you to export your data in common formats like CSV or PDF. This makes it easier to migrate or back up your records when needed. If your agency serves clients in different regions, multi-language support can be a valuable feature. Check if the software allows you to send invoices in various languages, making communication smoother for international clients. For agencies with subscription-based services, recurring billing is a must-have. Choose invoicing software that can automatically generate and send invoices at set intervals, saving you time and ensuring consistent cash flow. An approval workflow can help maintain accuracy and accountability. Look for software that lets you set up invoice approval processes, ensuring invoices are reviewed before being sent to clients. This reduces errors and maintains professionalism. Efficient document management is important for agencies handling multiple projects. Choose invoicing software that lets you attach supporting documents to invoices and organize files for easy retrieval. This keeps your records complete and accessible. Customizing notifications can improve communication with clients and your team. Look for invoicing software that allows you to personalize email templates and notification messages, ensuring your communications are always on brand and clear. An audit trail helps you track changes and maintain transparency. Choose invoicing software that logs all actions taken on invoices, such as edits, approvals, and payments. This feature is especially useful for agencies with multiple users and compliance requirements. Some invoicing software includes feedback tools that let clients rate their experience or leave comments. This can help you improve your services and build stronger client relationships. Consider whether this feature would benefit your agency. Too many notifications can overwhelm your team and clients. Choose software that lets you control the frequency and type of notifications sent. This ensures everyone stays informed without being bombarded with unnecessary messages. Direct integration with payment gateways streamlines the payment process. Check if the invoicing software supports popular gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. This makes it easier for clients to pay and for your agency to receive funds quickly. Compliance with local and international regulations is vital. Choose invoicing software that helps you meet legal requirements, such as GDPR or tax laws. This reduces risk and ensures your agency operates within the law. Smooth onboarding and training resources are important for quick adoption. Look for software that offers tutorials, guides, and onboarding support to help your team get up to speed quickly and use the tool effectively. The reputation of the software vendor matters. Research the company's history, customer base, and track record for updates and support. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide reliable service and ongoing improvements. Your agency's needs may change over time. Check the software's policies for upgrading or downgrading plans. Flexible policies make it easier to adjust your subscription as your business evolves without unnecessary hassle or cost. After following this comprehensive checklist, you should have a clear idea of which invoicing software best fits your agency. Review your findings, consult your team, and make the final decision. Remember, the right tool will streamline your billing, improve client satisfaction, and support your agency's growth. Congratulations, you've completed the step-by-step checklist for choosing invoicing software for agencies. By carefully considering each aspect, you're well equipped to select a solution that meets your needs and supports your agency's success. Take the next step by implementing your chosen software and training your team. With the right tool in place, you'll enjoy smoother invoicing, faster payments, and more time to focus on what you do best, growing your agency.